Sowore has volunteered himself about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, saying that 20th of October that they will all march to Asarok for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Shortly, Atiku Abubakar, the former Vice President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, said that he would join that crusade of protest of release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that they all will be marching to Asarok for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that he have overstayed. He have overstayed in DSS custody. But come to think of it, all the charges they are claiming against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not even one evidence. These guys has not even provided one evidence concerning the charges. They are charging him for treason, that is instigating terrorism, that is instigating war in Nigeria, that is instigating attack. And they have not come up with any clear evidence concerning their charges. It's all about suspending, coming to court. I saw Mazi Nnamdi Kanu yesterday, precisely, in the law court, and I was looking at him, and I saw that the guy was not happy at all. If you look at his face, if you look at him, you will find out that the guy is weak. He's weak, he's not happy. He needs to be released. And mind you that he has not been attended medically. All the efforts they have put in to see that this guy, that his personal doctor attends to him, they refused. But Nigerian government gave amnesty to a terrorist. Me and you know, a terrorist, a bandit, a killer, a bloodsucker. Some of them that will take women, go into the bush, sleep with them forcefully, kidnap people, kill people on a cold blood. They gave them an amnesty. And even the day the guy came out, the day he was being given amnesty, he came with all his weapon. He did not hide it. The federal government did not do anything to him. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a freedom fighter. A man that did nothing but to speak the truth concerning the way Nigerian government has been unfair to the individuals and to the Igbo nations. Now all they do was to go to Kenya and kidnap him, bring him back to Nigeria, just to suffer him, to see if he would die under the custody of DSS. And I believe if you are a real Igbo man, Sowore is a Yoruba guy, Atiku Abubakar is a Fulani, and I have not seen any Igbo, any Igbo prominent man or any Igbo politician that have volunteered his or herself to join that protest, that crusade of protest that is coming up on 20th of October. If this is a Fulani man and what? A Yoruba man fighting for Igbo, fighting for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I listened to the interview of Ojo Zokalo, and I was baffled. I became ashamed of myself, because what was coming out of the mouth of that man was political. The guy that was interviewing him was seriously bombarding him with questions that it was hard for him to defend. That he has met with Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president, that he discussed with him over Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now they started asking Ojo Zokalo, what was your discussion with Mr. President? He could not say anything. Say, I cannot say what I discussed with Mr. President. No, I cannot release such informations, this and that. Because you still want to gain your political seat. Because you don't want to be affected politically. Because you are in the ruling party. Please, we all should volunteer ourselves so about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It's coming up on 20th of October. We all should wake up and know what to do about this, because I don't know what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has done that will warrant that he will be kept under the DSS custody without any medical attention, without allowing, they don't want to approve him for his doctor to come and take care of him. And with one clothes, for more than 3 years now, this guy has been wearing one single clothes. They refuse. What have this guy done? But you people are giving terrorists, bandits, amnesty. Terrorists and bandits that have been killing people by the day, forcefully kidnapping people, taking them to forests, forcing themselves into them, raping women. Now, what have Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what offense has he committed that you people are charging him for treasons? Which you people that have an evidence linked to that? A freedom fighter like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and all the Igbo politicians, all the Igbo prominent men, they are all folding their hands. Any person you interview, they will say, we have gone to see Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We are making efforts. We cannot make it public because of what and what, because of our political this time, because of politics and that. Talking nonsense. Talking nonsense. Now Sowore and Atiku Abubakar has picked it up. If Igbo men cannot wake up and look for their brother. I remember those days. The time Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was coming to court newly. Holy, holy, holy Nnamdi Kanu, he's another savior. Now we are no longer hearing that. Because there was a distraction during the election 2023. Peter Obi wanted to be president by all means. But Peter Obi has never vouched, have never spoken about his own brother, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Shame. Shame.